Hot chicken ramen, amala flavor. I don't know how many I should do. I'm hungry, but not like that hungry, but I am hungry. Hello, little sloths. Welcome to my eating show. Hey, little sloths. Welcome to my eating show. It's another day. Do I have Doritos in my teeth? Of course, I just snacked on some Doritos. Let's breathe in and breathe out with me while the water is boiling. What a wonderful day. It's a brand new day. It's time for a delicious meal. And I'm happy that you're joining me today. We're here to hang out together. We're gonna spend some time together. I have some stuff to talk about. But you guys, this isn't therapy. Well anyways, let's just make this. So there's Orlin, say hi.
Hi.
Hey baby, what you doing?
I'm eating food.
He's eating mangoes. I should be eating that, but you know, I feel like being unhealthy today. It's my cheat day. Every day is my cheat day. Shh, I'm about to go on a diet soon. I know my face is bloated with salt, but that's okay. I know how to get rid of it. I know what I'm doing, so let's not worry about that. Let's not worry about how we look. Let's do the recipe. Let me show you how easy it is. How easy it is to make some instant ramen noodles. I mean, he's a good chef. I suck. So this is how easy it is that Nikocado makes a recipe. He throws in some instant noodles and calls it a recipe. Yes. Hey, mala. Ooh. Step 1. Put your ramen noodles into a bowl of boiling water. How many should I do, Orlin? 3 or 4 or 5?
4.
4? Not 5?
No.
You don't think I could finish that?
Of course not.
No? Okay, we'll do it. This here is the seasoning. Well, it's kind of like dehydrated vegetables. You guys know I don't like mushrooms, but there's mushrooms in here. For some reason, I still enjoy this, even though I don't like mushrooms. So it just has some kind of like dried lychee, right, Orlin? Dried lychees.
Yeah, lychee.
Lychee, dried mushrooms, dried vegetables. It's instant, hey, it's instant ramen, so go. Okay, now I'm adding the spicy fire mala sauce. It's good. I think I'm gonna use 3 or 4 packs out of the 5. So here I go. Step 4. Hey guys, I put a hat on. Shout out to Canada. Are you guys from Canada? Let me know. Wearing my purple shirt. Got my water bottle over here, the famous big water bottle. And I got my vitamins. And I know I look like a puffer fish. Don't even look at my cheeks. Just watch me eat, but don't look at me. Okay. Okay. So let's feast. And it's time to begin the eating show. Let's dig right in. Alright, so I've mixed it around for the thumbnail. I also mixed it around so that the steam comes out. There's still a lot of steam, so it's still pretty physically hot. But I put 3 slices of cheese. I used 4 packets of spicy noodles for 5 packs of noodles. So it should be relatively pretty spicy. I usually do like 3, sometimes even 2. But today I just want a nice kick of spice. So here we go. Follow my Twitter at NicocadoAvocado. And if you do, I might just follow you back. I know you guys hate when I blab and talk forever, so let's just dig right in. Cheers if you're eating with me. Hi, thanks for spending time with me. Hold on. Wait, I need the other chair. Hold up 1 second. Okay, this way I'm a little higher. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. Let's dig right in. Here we go. I'm not gonna do that much talking. You guys hate when I talk a lot, so I'm not gonna do that much talking. Well, actually, some of you guys like my story times, but I do too much blabbing in the beginning, so let's just have a few big bites and then we'll begin the story time too. Chewy. That wasn't a good first bite. I really have to separate it so I can slurp it all in at once. I'm sorry. Let's do this. You lift it up. That's the trick to eating noodles. Here, let me teach you. Lift it all the way up without splashing it into your eyeball. That is good. spicy, but like delicious at the same time. So yeah, these are nice and thick and chewy. Oh yeah. There's some spicy sauce down here. Don't forget about that. I always squint my eyes when I do this because for some reason I love to get it into my eyeball. Mm. Okay. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is delicious. Mm. That was good. Delicious. I'm starting to feel the spice though. Like actually, I'm like, ooh, scam. Oh, here's some cheese. Let's have some bite of cheese. Mmm. Ooh, I'm gonna start burping. The spice is getting to me, you guys. Ooh. There's Orlin downstairs with the smoothie. He's making his fruit drink. You guys, I'm gonna have him join me soon for a video. He's ready for a cheat meal. Ooh, God. Ooh. I'm burping. He's ready for a cheat meal, so he's gonna join me. It's getting spicy now. You guys, I have something on my mind, and I can't really talk about in terms of their names and the exact situation, but I feel like someone's been playing me dirty. I just had to talk about it with my mom. She's not having it. Or to listen to. I put her on speakerphone. Someone's been playing me dirty. And I don't know if they're pretending to be ignorant or if they're calculating. They're trying to deceive me. Something very deceiving. And like backhanded. And it's really bothersome. This is good, but it's getting spicy. Wow. I forgot that 4 packs would be too much without some butter. That's so good though. So yeah, I'm kind of like, that's on my mind right now. And I want to give this person, excuse me, the benefit of the doubt. This is literally a challenge. Wow. I want to give her the benefit of the doubt that she's just dumb. Like, there's some really stupid people in this But to my mom, it's very suspicious. Like, this is something that you look out for. These are red flags. This person's trying to like do something very, very shady. There's some solutions, like, I already know what I'm gonna do to help make this easier for my life. So you guys know Orlin, my husband, has a channel, right? I'm gonna take it over. It's gonna be called Nikocado Avocado 2. I need to start putting my videos someplace else. I'm still gonna post here, but not as often. I've been played really, really dirty. And I've gotten a lawyer involved as well. Or is it 245? I forget. I put in my retainer for 500, and then I had to do 2 more retainers after that, and now we owe more. This has been going on for a very long time. You can even see me. This is the wrong mukbang to be doing, to talk about something serious. I was going to have a whole conversation about it today. This makes me can't talk. There's really, my hands are tied, unfortunately.
It's so good though.
You guys, this is so good. It's hard for me to talk about dramatic stuff, things that go wrong in my life when I'm enjoying good food. The spice is too much though, but that flavor. Just add less spice packets, a little more cheese, maybe some butter. Ooh, you got something really delicious. That's so good. Can I just say, I am not having it today. No. Can I just say, I'm probably going to save this video for the future, so hello. Because I feel bad I didn't really go into my story time. It really hurts to talk. Like, if you ever done the Fire New Challenge, it hurts to talk. So, hello to the future. Nikocado Avocado 2 is probably already out and running. Hey Nick, I hope you're doing a good job. I hope people still appreciate you and the haters aren't giving you a hard time. And hang in there, bud. You got this. I love you. There I did. Self-pep talk to myself. Look, I'm literally sweating. I have to cut my hair soon. I have to cut my hair soon. Excuse me. I'm gonna do it right here on camera for you. Just something random. Cutting my hair before my... Oh, that might be gross. Never mind. No. Like, look how long it's getting. The buzz out. You guys know I've been cutting my own hair since I was in high school. Since I was in high school. But you already know that. If you already know me, you already know that. We're almost done with the noodle challenge. That splashed. Luckily not into my eyeball. You call my fork. Oh. Well, I'm done. And I keep thinking about the lady who's been mean to me, who's been using me. I think Orlin thinks she's just dumb. You know, there's some people who do things that a smart person would do to deceive you, to manipulate you. And there's some people that are just dumb and don't even realize. Orlin's good at reading people. He thinks that she's just a little slow. So that's on my mind, you guys. Wish me luck. By the time that you see this video, it's probably over and done with. Hopefully. God, cross your fingers. It hurts to talk. Delicious. Highly recommend it. Just don't use all the spice. I didn't even use all the... I mean, this was 5 packs. I should have used 5 packs of sauce. I only used 4. Next time I'm going to do 3 and add more cheese. Ooh. Unless you have a high pain tolerance. But let's be real. No one really enjoys this level of heat. Okay, you guys, well, thanks for watching. I know this was lickety-split, but you guys are always complaining to me, at least nowadays. We're in November. I'm reading my comments all the time. Why do you talk so much? But I've been getting that since the beginning of time on my channel. Because there's a lot of eating channels that barely say a word. And you guys don't complain to them, but you complain to me because I always say a word, and when I don't, you feel like you're robbed of content. No, it's an eating show, please. But seriously, I do feel bad. And I make a lot of you upset for talking too much. So I'm going to try to make effort to do more eating and less chit chat. Or if I have a lot to say, make it toward the end of the video where my like super sloths that, you know, want to hear about me and stuff, they can fast forward and get to that. But it's an eating show and I finished the challenge. Yay, 5 packs. Wow. Thank you guys. Bye. Welcome to the end of the video. I don't know which video I'm going to be sticking this onto. I just did a Korean Fire Noodle challenge. Oh gosh, I'm turning orange. The brightness, okay. Hi, I don't know which video this is going to be placed onto at the end, because this doesn't really constitute a whole mukbang in itself, even though this is 3 packs and close to 1,000 calories. It's a snack for me, and I don't really have much to say. I'm just hungry. So those of you that love to watch me eat cheesy, spicy noodles, keep watching. If you don't care, well, bye. I appreciate your time. Thanks for giving me a try. Okay, so this is the Korean Fire Noodle Challenge with, oh, I really have to cut my hair. With the spicy cheese fire noodle sauce, one of the original Korean Fire Noodle sauces, and 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. I wonder if this, yeah, you should probably be closer. It's gonna be a bad angle. I miss my chopsticks. It's so much more fun than forks. Sorry I'm making you steamy. This is nice and hot. That was really good. Wonderfully spicy. Oops. Oh, get my chin all dirty. I'm so sorry. Are you having fun?
It's kind of spicier.
The more I go on, the hotter it's getting. Luckily, I'm almost done. That's so good though. Love-hate relationship with these noodles. Super spicy, like you hate yourself, but also such good flavor and addictive. Oh, there's some cheese there at the bottom. Look at that cheese. I'm glad I only did 3 because I would have done 4 or 5. It would have been hard to finish this challenge. Well, I'm done. Did you guys have fun? This was so good. No, there's no more. I don't want to scrape the bowl too much and make you guys upset. Ooh, that was my tooth. Okay. I love a nice spicy noodle. I'm gonna go take some vitamins, eat some steamed spinach, and get on with my night. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching me eat. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.